Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your customer ID, the last 6 digits of your debit card, and the mobile number registered with HDFC. Open the HDFC Net Banking app and allow required permissions. This ensures OTPs and device binding work reliably. Tap Register or New User, select I have customer ID, and enter credentials when prompted. You do this now because device registration ties your app to the bank. Once done, you'll receive an OTP to verify ownership and proceed to set your MPIN. Once OTP verifies your device, create a 4-digit MPIN and confirm it. You should pick something memorable but not obvious. Next, link your accounts using the customer ID and account number so balances and payee lists populate. Make sure to enable biometric login if your phone supports it for faster, secure access. Then customize transaction limits and activate net banking services you need, such as IMPS/NEFT and bill pay, because setting these now avoids interruptions when you transfer funds later. To complete setup, perform a small IMPS transfer to a trusted beneficiary. Authenticate with your MPIN and OTP as prompted so you confirm flow and limits. Use the Bill Pay or UPI tab to add recurring payments and save beneficiaries to speed future transactions. If something goes wrong, failed OTPs, authentication errors, or missing accounts, first check network and permissions, then re-register the device or clear app data. If problems persist, note the error code and contact HDFC support for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.